Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very interesting scenarios unfolding right now here in price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, just like how we anticipated, Bitcoin for the medium short term looks like heading towards some very important resistance line, the line which we have to flip into support, otherwise this entire bullish move will turn into a fake out, and price after that is expected to show a continuation in this manner, forming another lower low, testing some key trend line, and only after that an actual reversal. So before I jump into the content, before I start talking about it, let's destroy that like button and let's try to reach at least 1000 like in this video. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, before we look at the price action, let's look at this crypto fear and greed index, because according to this fear and greed index, we are slowly recovering. I mean, 2 days ago we were below 20. There was a lot of fear in the market, but now we are slowly recovering, and this currently sits around 29. Not just only the fear and greed index, even the crypto market RSI dashboard, the entire crypto market RSI sits around 57.11, which is above the center line, above 50. So you can see we are slowly recovering, but we need to be sure if this here is an actual bullish breakout, then we need price of Bitcoin to overcome certain key line. Otherwise this entire bullish move will turn into a fake out because price first need to overcome this resistance here. I mean the upper trendline resistance from this falling channel. Despite falling channel being a bullish continuation pattern here in the medium short term, what we need, upper trendline being flipped into support, because this upper trendline in the past price action has rejected us, and each and every rejection from this upper trendline also resulted in a lower low. So that's why, to avoid another lower low like this, what must the price in the medium short term do? The price in the medium short term must overcome the resistance from this falling channel. We have to come across or above $108,000 at any cost. So if we do that, then there is a very high possibility of price also continuing with this uptrend. Otherwise, this bullish move what is unfolding right now could be faking out, and price after that could head towards to form another lower low, and only after that an actual reversal, because we know Bitcoin, before getting attracted towards the CPI trend lines, which is our very important line, we have another resistance holding us below this trend line. What I mean by that, I mean if Bitcoin wants to show an actual continuation like this, price making a U-shaped type of recovery, if we want to see something like this playing out, right, and also price heading towards this November CPI, which is around $111,000 to $114,000, first we need to overcome the resistance which is holding us at the moment. You can see we are already facing resistance from this Williams alligator indicator. These three trend lines, top, central, and the bottom Williams alligator indicator, will be acting as resistance because we are below it. And not just only this Williams alligator indicator, we also have resistance from this Bollinger Band, the center line. Yes guys, this center line during downtrend also tends to act as resistance. So if Bitcoin flips this here, the falling channel upper trend line into proper support, Williams alligator indicator into proper support, central line or the basis line from this Bollinger Band into proper support, then there is a very high probability of price also starting with the new bullish move. Why bullish move? Because price parallelly, if you look at this formation using a falling wedge is a very bullish scenario guys. And in a daily time frame, if Bitcoin shows furthermore strength, gets attracted towards this upper trend line, then you can see another resistance lining up there. I mean upper trend line from this falling wedge, despite being a bullish continuation pattern in the past price action, rejected us, which resulted in a lower low. So if this here after a bullish continuation gets rejected again, then please be aware there could be a final pullback, right? Final pullback around this lower trend line, and only after that an actual bullish continuation, just like from this past price action. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here with so many different examples, so many different scenarios, is that Bitcoin in the medium short term could show strength, could also get attracted towards this key line, but we need this resistance to be flipped into support. Unless we do that, any sort of a rally will be looked as a temporary rally and price before starting with an actual bullish move, actual parabolic move. First, there could be a pullback, a proper retest around this 50 exponential moving average, just like from this past price action, right? And only after that, an actual bullish continuation. So please, guys, please do not jump into any trade unless certain line of support or resistance gets broken. Otherwise, you can see things could get very, very ugly. And I'm also expecting price in the upcoming days to be even more volatile. So please do not overleverage yourself. Use proper risk management strategy, proper position sizing. And last but not the least, if you haven't claimed this $30,050 in welcome rewards from Bybit, then definitely check the video description, because this event is temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility, trade with free money, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye-bye.